Yeah, where I go on this ride depends on what they plowed. But I got my trail back anyway, which is nice. Oh shit. Wasn't expecting to have that much traction. God, this is beautiful. I wanted to go to Quick Trip today, so guess we'll see how bumpy and horrible everything is. See if the sidewalks are done. This is gonna be the wall of snow ride. Yeah, walls of snow. Oh shit. Interesting. Yeah. Can't go too fast when you can't tell what you're going through. At least it looks like somebody shoveled one little trail. Might be a wheel. I don't know. We'll see how far this goes. I wanted to go down to Quick Trip on Highway 10. Not knowing what the sidewalks, look like. Not looking too bad so far. Not perfect, but not bad. Yeah. Yeah, it's 20 degrees outside, so it's not bad. I'm in level 3 running with basically torque on a lower gear. Oh shit. That was loose. Dang. Oh, nope. They didn't clear down the hill. Shit. Not my day. So I don't know where I can go from here. Yeah, they didn't clear down the hill. Or did they? Oh, maybe they did. Yes, maybe they did. Have to go check it out. Probably only did half the hill. Yes, they did. Half the hill. I'm not gonna scream down this, because there's ice chunks and everything. This is gonna be a long ride. Or it seems like it. All because of the road conditions. Or sidewalk conditions. We're not going to go fast. Speed is not my friend out here. Go a little faster. Yeah, it's been kind of horrible when you get that much snow in 2 days, but they're getting around to clearing it up, which is nice. Glad the sidewalks are better. Better, not not good, but better. Or probably as good as they could get. Oh, this looks nice down here. Kind of like running on a groomed snowmobile trail. But I get in big trouble if we took a snowmobile on here. Oh, this is the no fun part. Not all of it is, yeah. Not all of it's done the same. It's not. I swear on an e-bike, kind of the faster you go, oh, the more it floats. Look. Nope. Not caught up yet. So I gotta go around. Shit. Yeah, it's part of life. Well, hopefully trails over by Tlahi School are done. Well, they're not because I just went by there. But see how many different roads I gotta take to get where I'm going. Still not a bad day. Not windy. Lightly chilly. And not cold. I just gotta remember which one to turn on because I gotta turn before the 2 blocks before the railroad tracks. In this one winter wonderland. Yeah, I think I gotta go this way. Well, they all lead out to there, but I'm trying to find the closest road. So I don't have to run on a major road for very long. Oh, this is bumpy. Yeah, we're coming into a few nice days. It's going to be in the upper 20s. Stop just in case and get her moving. I still believe they use a lot more energy when it's cold. And yes, oh, maybe these sides is done, but the other side. Oh, down to, Oh shit, I don't know. This does not look promising. I'm not going on that. That ain't fucking happening. No, it's not. No, it's not. We're gonna go out on the road because I have to. We'll go check out the other side, but no. Oh, that one looks done. So they do one side, but not the other. Exciting. One side, but not the other. Ooh, snow drifts. Oh, on the railroad tracks. Yes, you gotta be careful. Yeah. Now I can run around the side. Living in a winter wonderland. God, ain't this beautiful to some people, not to all. Chevy S10. I'll let him go. They didn't clear out my parking spot. Damn it. Alright, I'll stop you there for a few. Well, there, now I'm heading back home. Gotta watch for traffic. Yes, I do. I don't know if I'm going the same way home. I don't. Haven't figured that out yet. All depends. Yeah, I tied my bread to my backpack. I didn't want it on my handlebars just in case I wipe out. Oh, brakes ain't working too bad. Squeaking a little. You gotta watch out for cars because hard to see over snowbanks. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Come on, people. No blinkers. Chevy doesn't know where he's going. Yes, I'm going very slow because I got basically cars behind me and I have to get around this slushy shit. I'm gonna take her down by the flower park this way because I can. Let's fly. Running heavy. Oh, this battery ain't gonna like this. push it. The roads are nice enough to take Kimco out. Yes, I would. Believe me, yes, I would. I'm going this way too. Didn't know what they were doing. Trying to make this not a long video. I know the hill's coming. I'm gonna have to put her down and forward and pedal. And I gotta watch out for cars. I definitely can't climb this hill as fast as a car. No, I can't. No, I can't. And I can't go level 5 all the way home. I probably could. Nope. Let's go this way. Yeah, I can't take it out on the road because they push all the slush up against the side. And rolling through slush, just, yeah, it's not my thing. Yeah. You gotta watch the sketchy spots. Yes, you do. Yeah, I'm kind of testing the sidewalks and the roads because I have to ride up to T-Mobile on Division and pay my phone bill. And I'm scared they don't have everything done yet, so yeah. Interesting. But has this little bike been reliable? Yeah. And I don't count flat tires and shit. I don't. Because a flat tire, you know, from a pinhole was not the bike's fault. And right now, after 2 years, my seat cracked. But I'm gonna have to get a new seat after 2 years. Sorry, I just wanted to come to St. Cloud State here and see how they got this all cleared up. Or if they got it cleared up. Still got to be careful. This is where I almost wiped it that other day. I just got to cut her over one road and go home. Through the slushy shit we go, on my way home. And now I'm probably too far down from my street, but hey, we'll get it. Watch the Metro bus kick her in the ass. Slow is no fun. Half cars are driving slow, so technically going fast enough to keep up. Yeah, I went one too far. One too far. Yeah. They got a stop sign, I don't. Ooh, ice. Gonna wipe it out. Hope not. Sketchy. Pick your groove and run. Well, that was a fun ride. Yes, it was. I gotta thank my neighbor Aaron again on camera. I don't care. He made me a trail to get back home. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And hit that like button because it helps me out a lot. So, hope everybody's having fun in this shit. But I'll catch you on the next ride when I go to T-Mobile. Probably tomorrow on Monday. Alright, Charlie Brown, over and out.